Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to reactivate your disabled Discord account. First, what you want to do is open up your browser. So right here and search for Discord web. Just like so. Once you're here, just click on it. Now what you'd want to do is log in or open Discord in your browser. Once you're here, you need to enter. First we're login right there. So once we're here, we're gonna enter the password or the Discord account that you disabled. So as you can see, it says that the account is disabled and you cannot use it while it's disabled. So if you want to re-enable it, you just simply need to click on the restore account button under the return to login button right here. So click this particular button. So boom, that basically did the job, right? So basically back to your server, but for some reason that your account has been disabled due to reasons like you violated the terms or you unintentionally violated it for something when the server when your particular server that you have joined to where you are not active has violated the terms and condition of Discord, you might get caught up on it, right? So if you want to fix that, you're just gonna go back to discord.com and search for support right here. Click on the support button, and once you're here, you want to click on the submit a request right here. So click on that. What can we help you with? So find the trust and safety right here. So let's see here, page. Oops. Here, find this one, the appeals and age update request, and put your email, something like that. And how can we help? So appeal an action taken on my account. So what would you like to appeal an action taken on my account? And subject, you put the subject like account was disabled. Account is disabled. And put on the description so support your claim and stuff. Once you're done with that, you can add a file for added proof or facts or supporting claims so that your requests can go smoothly and without a problem. And wait for Discord to respond to you. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.